Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. This is class 10th English. The subject English and the topic is ABHILEY. हमने इसको क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 तक तो किए हैं, लेकिन अब हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करने जा रहे हैं. In question number 4, you open your book at page number 139. Question part number 4 is, what are the major themes of short story ABHILEY? After reading this poem ABHILEY, what we find in this very poem? So what are the major themes? What are the major areas where the focus has been impressed? So the major themes here, there can be different kind of themes. So far as we infer these themes, there is the theme of innocence. Means the old people are innocent. They are innocent. They are not aware about the modern science and technology, and they have ignorance about these modern gadgets. And simplicity of the rural woman. Generally in rural areas we see that people are very simple, but they are innocent and also they are honest. So this is the story of a rural woman, how she is perceiving the things in the modern world. They are not allowing their students, especially the girl students, to go far abroad for the higher education. So this can be one of the themes of this very lesson. So far as the second one is concerned, this is the modern science and technology versus tradition. If we see traditionally, traditionally the girl students were not sent to school in the early times, but present age, this is the age of science and modern technology. So there is the confrontation between these two, the modern science and technology and tradition. And the third one can be the generation gap. There is a generation gap between the old people, between the seniors and the juniors. Now if we see these juniors, they are going abroad for higher education. But so far as our old people are concerned, they are not allowing us to go abroad because there is a gap, there is a generation gap between the ideas, between the emotions, between the aspirations. So one of the theme can be here generation gap. And one of the most important theme can be here the inabilities and innocence of the old eyes to believe in extraordinary things. If we see upon this ABHILEY, she is not believing that. She is believing that the aeroplane is taking cross, as she is not knowing the modern science and technology, because she has never traveled outside her village, because she thinks that her village is the only world. She thinks that this is the whole world, but she doesn't know that the world is too big. And one more thing can be different attitudes of old generation towards modern science and technology. ये जो पुराने किस्म के लोग हैं, पुराने पीढ़ी के लोग हैं, ये इसके साथ कैसा बर्ताव करते हैं कि वो साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी को कैसे देख रहे हैं. They are taking at the miracles. And now one more thing can be here, importance of education, especially for the girl students. In this lesson we find that Roxana was sent to Srinagar for higher education, but on the other hand the love of ABHILEY उसको बाहर जाने के लिए allow नहीं करती है, because so far as the girl student is concerned, they were not sent to school at the earlier times, but present अगर हम आज देखेंगे, the more and more emphasis is laid on the girl education. So these are the main facets, we can say these are the main themes of this very lesson. Inshallah you will read it further. Thanks.